Welcome to Practice Easy English. 26 powerful phrasal verbs to sound smarter in English. Splash out. Meaning, to spend a lot of money freely or on something special. I splashed out on a brand new phone. She splashed out for her birthday party. Wash away. Meaning, to remove with water or make something disappear. The rain washed away all the mud. Time has washed away the pain. Soak up. Meaning, to absorb or enjoy something fully. This sponge soaks up water fast. I love soaking up the sun on weekends. Dry up. Meaning, to lose all moisture or suddenly stop speaking. The lake dried up during the drought. He dried up in the middle of his speech. Pour out. Meaning, to pour liquid from a container or express feelings freely. Please pour out some tea for me. She poured out her heart to her friend. Dive in. Meaning, to jump into water or start something eagerly. The kids couldn't wait to dive in. Let's dive in and get started. Float around. Meaning, to drift or spread ideas, things, or rumors. There were leaves floating around the pond. Rumors about the manager are floating around. Wade through. Meaning, to walk through water or go through something long, difficult, or boring, like a lot of reading or tasks. We waded through the flooded street. I'm wading through tons of paperwork. Spill over. Meaning, to overflow or extend beyond limits. The cup spilled over on the table. Her excitement spilled over into her work. Flow back. Meaning, to return like water or come rushing back. The tide flowed back slowly. The memories flowed back suddenly. Wash up. Meaning, to clean dishes or be carried ashore by water. I'll wash up after dinner. Some trash washed up on the beach. Dip into. Meaning, to briefly put something into a liquid, or use a small part of something. She dipped her fries into ketchup. She dipped into her savings for the trip. Scoop up. Meaning, to quickly pick up or gather something, often using your hands or a tool. He scooped up a big spoonful of ice cream. I scooped up a great deal during the sale. Bubble up. Meaning, to rise slowly like bubbles or to gradually appear, feelings, ideas, or reactions. Bubbles bubbled up in the pot. Anger started to bubble up in his voice. Trickle down. Meaning, to flow slowly or gradually spread or reach others. A tear trickled down her cheek. The news eventually trickled down to us. Dry out. Meaning, to lose moisture completely or recover from alcohol or drug use. My shoes finally dried out in the sun. He went to the clinic to dry out after years of drinking. Pour in. Meaning, to come in large amounts or numbers. Rainwater poured in through the roof. Applications poured in for the job. Splash around. Meaning, to move playfully in water or spend money freely. The kids splashed around in the pool all day. He splashed around cash like it was nothing. Wash out. Meaning, to be cancelled because of rain or lose color from washing. The match was washed out by heavy rain. My shirt's color washed out after one wash. Freeze over. Meaning, to become completely covered with ice. The lake froze over last night. The pond will freeze over if the cold continues. Boil over. Meaning, to overflow while boiling or lose control emotionally. The pot boiled over suddenly. Her anger boiled over during the argument. Soak through. Meaning, to become completely wet. My socks soaked through in the rain. Her coat soaked through quickly. Flow out. Meaning, to move or spread outward, like liquid or ideas. Water flowed out from the crack. Creative ideas flowed out of him non-stop. Wave off. To dismiss someone or something with a wave, or signal them to leave or ignore. She waved off his apology without a word. He waved off the taxi and kept walking. Sprinkle on. Meaning, to scatter small drops or tiny pieces over something. I sprinkled water on the plants. She sprinkled herbs on the soup. Drain away. Meaning, to slowly flow out or gradually disappear. The water drained away quickly. My energy drained away by evening.